I'm going to show you how to link these slides together to make an adaptive digital learning material. So I have set up just a simple question as the example, practicing punctuation for dialogue, and the kids will have three choices to pick from. One of them is the correct answer. The correct answer will go to a confirmation page and on to the next question. And if you click on the wrong answers, it will go to a quick review and then a try again. So I am going to select the first box because this is the correct answer. Right click, add a link. I'm linking to slides in this presentation, so I'm going to click the drop down and then go to slide 2. Apply. Oops. So this is a common mistake, so I don't want the text in the text box. I want it along the actual thing. So I'm going to try that again. And now you can see it's linked to slide 2. So you don't want to click inside the box or it will insert the link inside the box. You want to make sure that you have the box selected but the text is not inside it. I'm just going to repeat that for these two, and I'm going to link them to slide 3, which is my error page. Click apply, and then one more time, right click link. You can also go to insert link if that's easier. Slide 3 and apply. Okay. Now on my second page, I want this to go to my next question, which I have set up on page 4. So I'm going to set the link again. Like all of this stuff, it's not difficult, it's a little repetitive, a little tedious, but it's all the same things over and over again. And then on my last slide here, I'm going to link this back to slide 1 so that they can try it again. Slide 1. Okay. And then I'm not going to put links on this one because it's just the example, but you would repeat until you were done. And then the last question would have like a I'm finished or take me to the quiz or whatever your next step was. So now when I go into present mode, I can choose the wrong answer. It will go to my wrong answer page. Click to try again. Choose the right answer and then go to the next question and then repeat. So how do you share that with kids? You're going to go to the share button. This is the easiest way. And make sure that this setting is on. We're down with the link settings. You're going to click for more information and make sure that anyone with the link is selected and view only. So I'm going to copy that link and open up an incognito window. This is how I test the links. And so now this is view only, but the links to the slides still work. And so as long as you can share a URL with your students, you can simply share a view-only version of this slideshow and it works. Another way to share it with your kids, is to use the publish to the web. In order for that to work, when you have multiple slides, you are going to select all the slides except for the first one. You're going to hold down Shift or Control. If you hold down Shift, then you can select the first slide and the last slide, and it will automatically select everything in between. To right-click, and you are going to choose Skip Slides. And so that means in presentation mode, those slides won't show up. And that is important because when you go to File, Publish to the Web, you don't have an option to not auto advance. And so by skipping these slides, there's nothing for it to advance to. It just stays on the first page. So when you hit Publish, click OK, you are now given a link again. And if I go back to my incognito browser window, now that automatically pops up in presentation mode, and the students can interact with it as if it was in presentation mode. So that's helpful.